Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to edit chart in Google Sheet. So let's start. This is my Google Sheet and here you can see I already create here chart. To edit this chart, simply click on the chart, then click on this three dot, then click on the edit charts option. And here you can see the chart editor is open with the setup tab and customize tab. Okay. So you can set up your chart and you can customize your chart with the different option, chart style, then horizontal axis, vertical axis, grid lines, and customize your chart. So just click on the chart style. The first option is background color. To change the chart style, you can change here the background color also. Just click on this arrow and select here the color and you can see the changes on your chart. Then font, if you want to change the font, you can see the fonts also change. With chart border color, I select here the border color also and just click on this arrow again. If you want to change any other things, the horizontal axis. So this is a horizontal axis in order ID. If you want to change the label font, you can change here. See the font change. Label size. See the size also change. Bold, italic, you can change. Text color also you can change here. So I select the text color here. See the changes over here. Same for the vertical axis. This is a vertical axis, total price. Okay. So you can change here the different color also. Select here. See the color changed. Okay. If you want to change font style, size, you can change here. Okay. So this is a way you can use this customize option and you can edit your chart easily. Okay. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.